Hello everyone, myself Mayur M.Sevak. I am currently working as an assistant professor at the Electronics and Communication Engineering Department at Birla Vishvakarma Mahavidyalaya. That is the first engineering college of Gujarat state, and that is autonomous institution. At institute, I am taking two major portfolios. Those are the press media coordinator and NSS program officer. Our institute is affiliated with Gujarat Technological University. Now let's come to the subjects that what I am supposed to teach at institute level. I am taking. I have joined this institute as an assistant professor since 2012. So I am teaching the applied electronics. I am teaching satellite communication. I am teaching the programming C. I am teaching mobile application development, and other subjects laboratories are also I am taking. So as far as the NEP guideline, that one should focus for the multi-branch approach or inter-branch approach. So applied electronics itself is the open elective subjects where the civil, mechanical, electrical, then the IT students are used to take the subjects in the 5th semester. So in applied electronics, the contents are the operational amplifier, transducer, 555 timer, electronic introduction to ECE, and the microcontrollers and consumer electronics. So computer and IT students and ECE students are okay with that, but when we talk about the civil, mechanical, and electrical students, so they should have the idea about the how the microprocessor and controller works, and according to that they can design the various applications. So every time I am delivering the expert talk and I am arranging the workshop myself for the applied electronics students, where students used to get the idea that how the sensors are going to be connected and how they can design the different applications of the various sensors along with the microcontroller. Now as far as the learning beyond curriculum is concerned, that in satellite communication as a part of board of studies, I have proposed and designed that syllabus that was passed, and in that case study I have included the various satellites launched by the ISRO, the Mars Orbiter mission Chandrayaan-2, then the various studies of the PSLV and GSLV, then the student satellite Swayam. All these things I have included in design so that students can have the idea about that which kind of the technology right now is there that is designed by the ISRO itself. Apart from that, mobile application development, since our students are from ECE background, so they should have idea about that how they design the mobile application. So for that I have designed the syllabus that consists of the basics of Java. Apart from that, from Java they just go to the Android Studio and they are supposed to design the various applications, and they are launching the same thing on the Play Store. So that is about the academic things. Now let's go to the project those I have entered. So in 2020, the Fight Corona Ideathon was organized by the MHRD AICT, where our students developed the particular applications that delivered good at home, and those are suffer from the corona. So that the person has not go to outside, definitely they just subscribe the app and they can have the goods at home. So that got the third prize at the national level. Now let's come to the another group that is that took part in the NASA Space App Challenge internationally, and at the state level they got the second rank, and they designed one app that based on the artificial intelligence and machine learning, where if you are supposed to scan the bottle, then the outcome of that it is giving you the output that how much amount of the pollution is created due to that plastic bottle. So that was there. Third is the abnormality based on the ECG segmentation, where the Vatsal and the other students, my former students, they designed the algorithm in which the person is suffering from some heart disease or some abnormal ECG signals are there, then they are diagnosed properly and they are detected. Fourth is the IoT based food monitoring system, because the motivation is for designing this project is that in summer there are many functions are there, and people are suffering from food poisoning because of the bad food or the quality of the food is degraded. So what the students have done, that the Kushwant and Deep, I mentor them, they designed the proximity, that is wooden box, they put some sensors and microcontroller, they sense the quality of the food, and they used to measure every day So if I'm at office and I used to take some puff or samosa at my home and I'm having oven, so that sensor is sensing the data of which how much amount of gas is released from that, and I can see at my office that whether I can consume that food at evening or not. So that was the innovative project, and the same project was featured in Times of India front page in January. So these are the project's highlights from my side. Apart from that, I have delivered the expert talk at the campus radio station, which is of this SP University. Those topics are the 11 factors of success and Chandrayaan-2 mission. Now, at institute level, I am handling the press media coordinator portfolio, where I publish 1,000 plus press note of my institute of various achievements of faculty, students, various conferences, workshop, seminars, industrial visits, MOUs, all these things. And many of them have been featured in Times of India as well, and other Divya Bhaskar and Gujarat Samachar and many state level newspapers. So that is part of the activity of press media. Let's come to the my research journey. I'm talking with that. Starting with the 2010 to 2024, that I have published 34 research papers in various international conference, international journals, and the international journals, conference proceedings, and the book chapters as well. I got 60 citations, among them 4 IH index and 1 is I-10 index. As far as patents are concerned, I have applied for 2 patents. Those are in pipeline right now, and that will be published within 1 year. As a part of my PhD tenure, I have also gone through 1 patent. Now 2 books I have published internationally. Among them, very first is a medical image compression using compressive sensing. Second is the analysis of the ECG and EEG signals and implementation of hardware. Now why I am taking this example? Because this book I have published with my students where we have done project, and this book is now available in 7 different languages that one can go through. Just type in Google, you will find some data. Now, as far as the editorial board member is concerned, I am currently working as editorial board member for the STM and MAT journals, and I have reviewed more than 15 plus research papers successfully. Now, let's come to the NSS activity at institute level. I am working as a NSS program officer at institute level since 2015, and various activities we are supposed to do throughout the tenure, starting with the semester. We just have the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. We are having the health awareness program. We are having the 3 to 4 times blood donation camp. We are having the thalassemia checkup camp. We are having the annual village camp. So as a part of that, 4 to 6 village we have covered. And at village camp there are various activities are there. Starting with in morning there are yoga, and after yoga, then the students are having the Prabhat Pheri. Once it is being done, students used to communicate with the village people. They just go for the farm survey, they just go for the village survey, which kind of government projects are there. Then they just calculate how much amount of people are literate. And at night they used to have the street play, and we have done the street play on Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Apart from that, conserving of water. Then they have also go to the street play for the de-addiction, because nowadays people are very much addicted with the alcohol and drugs. So we just used to do that kind of the anti-drug campaign at those kind of villages, and that was part of the activity of NSS. And I'm happy to share that at institute level, in 10 years of the NSS tenure, that 2,500 plus students have donated the blood as a national service scheme or the serving society. 3,600 plus students have gone through the thalassemia screening successfully. As far as the conservation of environment is concerned, we always focus on the planting more amount of trees at campus and outside. So as a part of that, we have planted 635 plus trees, and before 2 years, we got the one district, one green champion award from the EICT as well. And last year we have organized one cloth donation drive, that those who are needy, they can get the cloth. So I'm happy to share that more than 650 plus students and faculty, they donated the cloth for the needy people. So this kind of activities I'm supposed to do, I'm actually doing at my institute level. And apart from that, as far as the industry institute is concerned, that with a true effort with the intake system, that our college has done MOU with the intake system, which is a Microsoft global partner. And as a part of that, one Microsoft Power BI program was there, and the 30 plus students got the certificates from the Microsoft itself as a part of the industry institute interaction. So this kind of the activities I am supposed to do at institute level. Thank you so much.